Do you have a hydraulics AMF 4633 IM 00243920042839200428 F39200513800,302? If so, you may be in need of a new pump motor. Here at Rare Electrical, we have the perfect solution for you. We offer a brand new DC motor that is compatible with your MTE hydraulics model. This motor is made to meet or exceed the original manufacturer's specifications. You can trust that our team will get your order right and have it delivered to you quickly. A DC motor is an electric motor that uses direct current to produce rotational force. DC motors are available in a wide range of sizes and shapes, and are used in a variety of applications. This DC motor is made with the highest quality components available, and is designed for durability and long-term use. This motor is perfect for applications where reliability and performance are critical. Consumers can be confident when they purchase a DC motor 392000428. It comes with a full 1-year warranty and has been computer tested for consistent quality and unsurpassed reliability. This motor is perfect for those who want the best performance and long-lasting results. Top reviews from the United States. 1/It seemed to work like it is supposed to. We have a 04C breeze and the old motor has gotten wet evidently and started making the rock and marble sounds. I knew that it was time to replace it. The old one was rusted in some penetrating oil and a pry bar. I was able to get it off. 2/Decent quality and so far, it works. Photo shows a rubber cap on end suggesting a bolt or socket on the upper shaft end. Mine had a solid metal cap and no bolt head or socket needed for turning the shaft. 3/No issue with the motor. Install was easy. Just 2 bolts and the wiring. May need to gently pry the old motor off. Before you do install the new motor, make sure you can turn the shaft of the pump first. Use a crescent wrench to turn the shaft. Figured out my pump was seized after I put the new motor on and smoked it. Literally, back to the internet for more parts.